Last week it was a very stressful week on Wall Street because of the Wall Street Bet Reddit page, making GameStop, AMC stocks, and much other stocks going to the moon, and we had a crazy week. Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stock analysis content on this channel, and as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please take your own responsibility for your own investment actions. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now let's get on to this video. As we know, last week we saw a huge short squeeze, probably the biggest in history, for GME, AMC, and other shares like KOSS, NOK, BB, and other more. I was also locked out by my Robinhood for some stocks. Robinhood did not allow me to trade, even to view the stocks I owned like GMC and AMC, which made me very stressful, or say very mad. In this video, let me explain a bit what was happening last week, what a short squeeze is, and what a meme stock is. I am also going to show some hilarious stock trading to relax ourselves a bit. Let me put the long story very short. GameStop, ticker symbol GME, and AMC, ticker symbol is AMC, are two failing companies because of various reasons. Their stocks got a jump or a bump in the market due to some news. That bump caused large multi-billion-dollar short-selling hedge funds, companies such as Citron and Melvin Capital, big troubles. Because they bet or assumed that GME and AMC would continue to fall, Citron and Melvin Capital would be able to make tons of money by shorting GME and AMC. Short selling is when someone borrows shares at a higher price, then sells them with the assumption that they can buy the shares back at a lower share price, give those shares back, and then pocket the difference. Wall Street Bet challenges these hedge funds companies, call people to buy GME and AMC and other heavily shorted stocks. They are also listed in my previous videos, and then call them to hold the purchased shares. Many followers, retail traders, agreed to do so, including myself. This in turn causes the short sellers, particularly the hedge fund companies, to lose money because they are going to have to give back those borrowed shares in the future. As the short sellers watch the stock rise, they start folding one by one and buying the stock in order to give the shares back and close their position. Buying those shares caused the stock to rise again, which in turn puts more pressure on the short sellers and more of them having to buy more shares. This is called a short squeeze. Last week, time was up for many of the short sellers. They'd have to close out their positions by buying stock, which caused AMC and GameStop to skyrocket. Some brokers, especially Robinhood, restricted the trading for 13 stocks, even for 50 stocks last Thursday and Friday, causing many retail traders not be able to buy shares of these stocks, or even not be able to view these stocks. This is what has been happening since last week. I'd like to read a sentence written by Charles Mackay. Every age has its peculiar folly, some scheme, project, or fantasy into which it plunges, spurred on by the love of gain, the necessity of excitement, or the mere force of imitation. By Charles Mackay, Extraordinary Popular Delusions and the Madness of Crowds in 1841. The turmoil surrounding the wild swings in the stocks such as GameStop and AMC had no doubt been fueled by the desire for both gain and excitement for thousands of traders taking their cues from Reddit's Wall Street Bet. And while it shares many aspects of past bubbles, this new wave of online trader has its own unique aspects of instant sharing of information and opinion through commission-free apps like Robinhood and message boards like Wall Street Bet, Facebook, and Twitter. The GameStop Sega story, the sudden surge in the stock share price, makes us recall the Dutch tulip bulb bubble in the 1600s. That tulip bulb bubble made a lot of people rich, so did the GameStop/AMC Wall Street Bet movement. Let me tell some real stories, funny but real trading stories. In March of 2020, because of the pandemic, the company Zoom video communications became very popular by all the people who stayed home, including the employees working from home. Its stock, with the ticker symbol ZM, went up from around $70 to about $150 in 1 month. March to April of last year. Now its share price is about $380 per share. While by the time there was another company listed in the stock market with the stock ticker ZOOM. Its share price soared from around $4 to almost as high as $60. That company had nothing to do with the telecommunication company Zoom we have been using. But that surge here made a lot of people rich. Some people poor at the same time. They have changed the ticker to ZTNO now to avoid the confusion with the famous Zoom, the video teleconferencing company we all know of. It was hilarious. Ill-informed traders mistook it for the Zoom video communication as the ticker symbol ZM. Another story just happened last week. Shares of troubled theater chain AMC exploded higher last week before reversing, and so did those of a television company with a similar name, AMC Networks, with the stock ticker AMCX. Its share price went from around $40 to as high of $75. Now it comes back to about $51. I believe that a lot of retail investors are still holding the stock AMC Networks with the ticker AMCX, and they believe they are supporting the Wall Street bet movement. This AMC Network with the ticker AMCX has nothing to do with the hot stock, the AMC Entertainment stock. That's, again, really hilarious. As I presented in my videos, BlackBerry was another stock which has been targeted by Wall Street Bet these days. Another company named BB Liquidating, ticker BLIAQ, which oversees the remains of Blockbuster Video, multiplied in value within days. It went from less than a cent, 0.003 of a dollar, to more than 30.3 of a dollar. That's about 100 times within the few days. Someone became a millionaire within these days because of that stock. Another interesting thing that we saw last year with the company Hertz. Hertz Global Holdings, ticker symbol HTZGQ, whose shares spiked this past summer even though the car rental chain had filed for bankruptcy. And wouldn't you think that when a company filed for bankruptcy, they would, their stock share would plummet, but we actually saw a huge spike in that stock. Let's now have some fun. This guy watches over the window and says snow is falling. The stock trader tells his trader over the phone, sell snow, sell, sell. This third guy immediately shouts, sell, 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 snow, S-N-O-W, to the traders on the Wall Street floor. This we call a meme stock. So, what is a meme stock? As the effect of social media sentiment on the stock market grows, the meme stock has flourished. What's a meme stock? Whether you pronounce it meme, meme, God forbid me, meme, I believe it comes from the French meme, meaning same. As social media has grown in importance in modern life, the ubiquitousness of memes has grown with it. So much so, it has even pervaded the stock market. Meme stocks have become a buzzword in certain investing circles over recent years, and the accompanying hype has resulted in significant shift in valuation. The AMC name mix-up, the Zoom name, the BB company, all look like a ton of iteration of meme trade. I also heard Elon Musk tweeted a company Signal, a gaming company, but another company Signal something, its stock share price was multiplied. The trading world is actually really funny. Alright, let's have some more fun here. What is a bull market, you may ask? Random market movement causing an investor to mistake himself for a financial genius. And also this picture of what we probably guess is a Titanic. Don't panic, this is just a correction. Alright, let's conclude today's video with this chart. Meme stock percentage return, January 22nd to 27th. Cost up 1600%, Express up 733%, GameStop up 706%, and AMC up 593%. Let's go ahead and check the stock prices today. For AMC, it's at $8.97, so it was up 14% today. AMC and GME was up 2.68% to 92. They are both down a little after market. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to know in the comments what other meme stock trade that you guys know of, and I would love to get a little laugh, relax a bit with you on the stock market. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.